Hi all, my name is Jeff Bremer, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, I'm glad I can read minds, because the answer is that oftentimes in the world of internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. What I have found by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, please do this for me. So, if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take the free tips I just gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now, let's get started. So let's have a look at your own website, how it currently stands. It's a decent looking website. I like the layout. There's enough information about what you guys do and how long you've been in the business. It's about 200-300 words. You also have a gallery of all the work that has been completed, which is looking pretty damn good as well. So all good, all good. But there are a few things that we can do in order to attract more customers to your business. Well, the first thing I would like to discuss is making sure that your site is mobile friendly. Most searches are currently coming from other devices, and Google is penalizing sites that are not mobile optimized. So let's have a look. As you can see here, this is for a mobile, and your website is currently not mobile optimized. So that thing is something that we need to take care of immediately. Also, let's have a look at the content that you currently have on your website. Like I said before, here you see about 200-300 words at tops, which you have on your current website. Well, this is what is actually happening. Google is actually advising that a homepage should have at least a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words. So we need to definitely crank the amount of words up onto your homepage. But why is content so important? Well, let's have a look and let's verify that. Let's go over to Google. Let's type in Mike Tyson and see what pops up. As you can see here, Wikipedia is the first one that's popping up in Google when it comes to the search results of Mike Tyson. Why? Well, let's have a look on Wikipedia. This is why. Content is key. Look at all that amazing content about Mike Tyson's life and what he has been up to in his life. This is actually the reason why content is so important. So the more content you have on your website, the higher you will rank in Google. So let's move onto your website. Well, another thing that is of great value is the amount of citations or votes that your website currently has. Looking on the homepage of your website, I have a special device here which is mentioning that you currently have 0 votes linked to your particular website. A vote is of great importance, as Google is actually a popularity contest. So the more that people are talking about your website or about your company, the higher you will rank in Google. So again, this is something that's of great importance in order to get more customers to your website. Another thing that might be of great value would be to have a clickable phone number here. Like I said, most people are currently using their mobile device to get in touch with their services that they need. So it would be wise to make this clickable so that once a customer is on your website, it can actually get in touch with you with one click. Another thing would be to have a contact form right here on the right side of your homepage, as you want to make sure that people can get in touch with you as fast as possible. Additionally, I'm also seeing that you guys are currently also providing your services in. So what I'm also seeing is that you are currently providing services in other surrounding areas as well, such as Ventura, Oxnard and Thousand Oaks. We also have the ability to get more customers from those surrounding areas to your company. So let's get in touch and see what we can do for you. Well, this is just a small preview of improvements that we can do for you, helping you to reach more customers. This will improve the amount of sales and it will expand your business. This will allow you to have more free time instead of working 60 to 70 hours a week in your business. Hit me up to schedule an appointment by emailing me back or send me a text message so we can chat and make this work. Have a great day. Bye bye.